Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is GladTech. Today I'll be showing you how to enable video gift on TikTok. The steps are: click on the three dots at the right corner of your account. Click on Creator Tools. Look at it. You have Analytic, Creator Portal, Live Center, Subscription, Video Gift, Work with Artists, Live Gifts, Ad Settings. But I want to click on Video Gift. That's what I need. Click on the toggle here. It takes you to the terms of services, privacy policy, and reward policy. So these are the terms. Have at least 10,000 followers. Video must pass safety moderation to be eligible for gifts. Have an account that has been active for at least 30 days. Meet the age requirement. Account must be used by government, politicians, and political party. I did not meet up with this requirement because I don't have up to 10,000 followers in my TikTok account, so I cannot earn video gifts. So, but if you can earn it on your own, if you have up to 10,000 followers and you're eligible, you have all the requirements here, you can earn it on your phone using my stuff to earn it. So that is it for how to enable video gifts on TikTok. Please, if this video was helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe, leave a comment.